How to delete all messages on Instagram all at once. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. After you're in the Instagram, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right. After you've clicked on there, scroll down and search for account type in tools and click on it. After you click on account type in tools, here click on switch to professional account. Then click on next. Select any one of here options. Click on switch to professional account. Select creator next. Not now. And after it's done, you go to messages. Here, after you're in the message section, click on the three dots and three lines at the top left. Here, now select all the messages you want to delete all at once and press on delete at the bottom right corner of your screen. Press on delete and the messages will be deleted all at once. This is how to delete all messages on Instagram at once. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.